7 best ways to naturally whiten yellow teeth at home. Baking soda and lemon juice. Baking soda does a great job at removing surface stains from your teeth, making them way whiter as a result. Lemon contains vitamin C, which is known for lightening teeth. Not to mention, lemons have antibacterial properties that kill the microorganisms living in your mouth. Hey, nobody invited them in there. The right way to combine these 2 ingredients would be to put a pinch of baking soda on your toothbrush, and then add a few drops of lemon juice over it to achieve a set of bright, shiny teeth. Just don't use this whitening method more than once a week. That's enough to get the desired effect and keep your enamel healthy at the same time. You can also mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 teaspoons of water and brush your teeth with the paste. This combination provides a more gentle cleansing, so you can repeat this procedure a little more frequently, twice a week. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is basically a bleaching agent, so it's a must-have for teeth whitening. However, before using hydrogen peroxide, make sure that your teeth aren't too sensitive. If you're good to go, simply dip a cotton swab into the peroxide and gently rub it on your teeth. Be careful though, because this whitening technique isn't recommended for frequent use as it can harm your enamel. Doing it once or twice a week would be plenty. If you don't want to risk damaging your teeth, you can always find a toothpaste with hydrogen peroxide in it from the store. This way you don't have to worry about your teeth sensitivity because the hydrogen peroxide is balanced out with other ingredients. Hydrogen peroxide can also be used as a mouthwash before brushing your teeth. Just make sure that you're using either a 1.5% or 3% solution for this. Other possible options are hydrogen peroxide gel or even teeth whitening strips. So get your hands on some hydrogen peroxide in any of its forms and enjoy your new snow white teeth.